Ever hear a car sound like it's shooting gunshots? That's called exhaust backfire, and here's why it happens. Sometimes extra fuel doesn't burn in the engine. It burns inside the exhaust instead. That's what causes those loud pops and bangs. Some fast cars even do this on purpose with anti-lag systems. They burn fuel in the exhaust to keep the turbo spinning, making even bigger bangs. Straight pipes and crackle tunes make it even louder, especially when you downshift or slow down fast. Love it or hate it, those gunshot sounds mean one thing: pure performance. So do you